Assignment 2, question 41. Which of the following struct definition is correct in C++?
So let's look at option 1. It has the word struct, student type, open curly brackets, int ID, that's the field. It's got a semicolon at the end. Option 2, struct, student type, open curly brackets, close curly brackets, string name int ID float GPA, but it's missing semicolon. Let's look at option 3. Now it's got the word int in front of it. I don't think we use that, but it's also missing a semicolon at the end. Let's look at number 4. Struct student type. It's got int ID equals 1. I wonder which one works. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this option 2 and I'm going to put it into code blocks. So Control C, and I'm opening up code blocks and I paste it in there. So let's do a build and run. Let's do a build and run. Hey, the compiler is complaining. Compiler, stop complaining. Let's have a look at the logs. It says expected a semicolon after the struct definition. Aha, so it's missing a semicolon. I wonder if I put a semicolon there, what will happen? I leave that up to you. Let's go and try the next alternative, right? So I'm going to have, which is option number 3. Let's go there. I don't know why they put the word int in front of it. Control C. Let's open up code blocks. Control V. Let's build and run, build and run, build and run. Hey, error, ID does not exist. There's something wrong with that one. I don't know what they're talking about. Let's remove that. Let's try the next one. Let's look at this one. It says struct student type int ID equals 1. Let's run that. Control C. So I'm using the compiler to help me. Control V, struct student type int ID equals 1. Let's do a build and run, build and run. This is the option 4. Hey, something works there. Look at that. Let's try option number 1. Let's go back. Number 1 and number 4 looks very similar. Have a look at that. Control C. Let's go and put that into my compiler. Control V. Just look at that. Compare that. It's missing the definition. Let's build and run, build and run. Hey, look at that. It's also building and running. I'm going to leave it up to you. Maybe we should contact our lecturer and find out what's going on out here. Hope you like it. Good luck with assignment 2, question 42.